Welcome, today in front of me Nokia 1.4 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold for a while the application and drag this application to the another app by this way. And as can you see right now we got here the new folder on our screen. By the same way you can add here one more application. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the folder. Now we can edit the name of our folder or just give a name, for example the apps, tap here to OK, and as can you see we just renamed our folder. Also we can here move this folder on the screen, just hold for a while and drag it to the position where we want to just set this folder. Also we can move this folder between the screens. And if you wanna just remove the application from the folder, just hold for a while this app and drag it, for example, here on the screen, or also you can just drag this up here to remove icon, but don't worry, this item removed only from the screen, but that will also stay here on our menu of our applications. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.